I don't think I'm allowed to create content about these types of plots. You know, I feel like whatever I say here will make me sound or look like I think like a female, and I hate it, but I'm going to create this video anyway. So guys, I'm here watching this week's episodes of Youngins, and I just saw this, and this is Khaya with a girl that is definitely not Amo, and I don't know if I should spell it out for you guys. Okay, you know what, I'm just going to spell it out, guys. Khaya cheated on Amo, and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would love to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Guys, Khaya is cheating on Amo, and a part of me feels like Amo deserves this. I mean, we've been telling Amo that Khaya is not good for her, but she keeps on going to him. I for one wanted Amo to choose Mahlatsi. I think Mahlatsi is way better than Khaya. I don't understand what made her to think that Khaya was the best option. So now, Uvuna actually, because Khaya has started cheating on him. This started when Khaya wanted to have sex with her and Amo refused, telling Khaya that she's not ready. So Khaya kept on trying, but Amo refused. Now, Khaya decided that, okay, I will continue loving you, Amo, but one thing that I won't do is wait until marriage in order for me to have sex. He then found a girl, and that is this girl, to be precise, that we're seeing on screen right now. Now that is how the cheating started. Now the problem is that Amo was almost willing to give it to Khaya. She told Khaya in the scene that she's ready. So they went to Khaya's place, and just when they were about to do the deed, a teacher came in and disturbed them. So Amo had to get under Khaya's bed, which is where she found a condom. And as I've mentioned before, I really don't like this Khaya and Amo thing. I'm glad that she found out about the cheating just before sleeping with him. And as I've mentioned before, I don't like Khaya and Amo. Mina ngifuna uMahlatsi no Amo. So Mahlatsi should be the one who's going to eat Amo's cake first, and no one else. Also, speaking about Mahlatsi, the guy delivered the best performance I've ever seen on South African television. In fact, the best performance I've ever seen on Youngins recently. And also, I was watching this scene where I was crying and apologizing to Declare. In fact, guys, let me not spoil this one for you. Just go and watch the show. Meanwhile, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions about this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.